Hello everyone, this is Hobbi Crochet. Thank you to everyone who gave me likes for my scarf. Scarf is in my previous video. If you can see, this is very lacy, very fine stitches scarf. The scarf that you crochet in 1.5 hours, and it took me 1 skein of yarn. People were asking what brand I was using. I don't have the label for this one, but this is exactly the same striping, self-striping yarn. It's got 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. It was exactly the same with brown color. Let me find. It would recommend 5.5mm crochet hook. That was I was using 5.5. And it was 100 gram, 175 meters. For this scarf I was using less than a skein because I had maybe 1/5, maybe 150 meters I would say I've done for this scarf, and this scarf is 1.5 meters. It would be approximately let me see, 58 inches. 75, I just measured. Yes, it would be nearly 58-59 inches. And today I wanted to show you how I'm making the tassels. The tassels, really, it would elevate your scarf, in case you don't know how to make the tassels. Lots of different types of tassels, maybe they called differently, but I will call them tassels. Must mention that I'm not using the same yarn. The same yarn has got wool in it, and I don't have any more. So I found the nice shade acrylic yarn. This is one of my old books that will measure 4.5 inches or nearly 12 centimeters. Of course, it is approximate amount. If you've got slightly larger or smaller, that will be just great. I've tried smaller size tassel, it didn't look great. And I've tried different amount of strands, and I think this one is optimal. Optimal, I like how it looks, how it feels. So you go around your book, holding one end, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times only I'm going this time. Cut one end, cut this in the middle, but holding the top. So you need this middle. Take them off, put your book aside. Now you need to insert your hook into your scarf. I'm going in through every 2 stitches. So I'm not going on the foundation chain because it will just hang down not very nice. So I'm going 2 and then going over there through 2 stitches, picking all those 5 strands and pulling. I'm just hanging above the camera, a little bit awkward. Yeah, let me just like this. Yes, so your aim is to hook those 5 strands in the middle, pull. If you lost your middle, you check your strands, they are approximately equal size. Make this loop slightly larger, and then you take all those strands through this loop, like this. Yeah, give it a little tug. And then you do it again holding the yarn, going 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, cut the end and cut the middle. You can hear my kettle. Let me make me coffee and let's finish this tassel. Sorry about my kettle. I'm old-fashioned family with kettle with the whistle. Yeah, we don't use electric kettle in our family. We've got the kettle that goes on a hob. It is very old-fashioned. Do you know any more people who use old-fashioned kettle? I would be surprised if you've got any many. Alright, so insert your hook and pick all of your strands. Try to get them in the middle. Pull up a loop, slightly larger, checking your ends, approximately the same size. Of course, the first one and the last one could be slightly larger. That's okay. We will trim them after we finish our work. Like this. Okay. You can spread them if you are doing lots of different projects. You will be doing different projects. Yeah, you have to see maybe the distance for the tassels they might be slightly closer. Maybe you will not use 5 strands. Maybe you will go in every stitch with only 3 strands of yarn. So you will vary and make it suitable for your projects. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time with new project.